Selos?
We lost contact. Alam mo, nasasaktan na ako talaga.
Pampanga was always.
Anong ikaw pa rin yung
kasi
bimbi ko?
ayan mga Dabbercads, this is the mukbang portion of
Yes.
the challenge. Kasi
Favorite part.
nanalo na ako.
Tuwan-tuwa si Bim.
I won!
Pero pwede makipag-share.
Yes, of course.
Okay, okay.
Siyempre naman. Okay.
Okay, kain po
What
tayo,
was your
guys.
favorite sa meal?
Nuggets.
Ako yung
Saka
ako yung burger.
grapes. Uy, kain na tayo.
Ladies first.
Kain po. Dabbercads.
Alright. Ganito pala magmukbang.
Di ba?
Feel na kasi ano eh. Si Mami. Cheers. Hello, Team Rice.
Hello po, Team Riza.
Team Rice, kain na po tayo. I love you, Mami. Sorry. May iba tayo ngayon, mga Dabbercads. How are you? Okay naman.
Masaya pala. Masaya.
Bakit? Why are you happy now?
Syempre. You're here, baby. Masaya ako. And yun.
What's keeping you busy?
Bulaga.
And?
Life, work, food.
Life, work, food. Okay,
Ikaw.
what else ba?
Ikaw
Besides Bulaga? Di ba nag-ano ka? All over the country to, mga Dabbercads eh.
Ba?
All over the country.
Ako?
Yeah, you're giving charity.
Updated.
Oh, updated. Explain mo, Raisa, kung anong ginagawa mo for that.
Gano'n kayo, kung lumilibot kami kung saan sa probinsya,
Oo.
nasa give back kami, mga rice, eggs.
Rice, what made Team Raisa do that?
Wow! Siyempre,
Bimbi Talks.
Sir Bimbi. Siyempre, ang dami-daming mga Dabbercads na dapat tulungan talaga.
Dapat lang.
Yes, and hanggat kaya natin tumulong kahit sa small ways, kaya rin natin din.
Because the small ways are the most important.
Tama.
Yo.
So, eto na nga, nagchichikahan na tayo.
Yeah.
Mag-ano muna tayo, catch up kasi nga 13 years tayong, we lost contact, sabi mo nga.
Not say lost contact. We were still in contact.
Pero hindi masyado, yes. Kamusta ka naman ng mga childhood mo? Yan, growing up.
Raisa Talks pala to, no?
Bimbi X Rice Talks.
Okay. Wow. Bimbi X Raisa.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
I like
okay.
that. It was busy with school. I moved to the States, di ba? So, 2 years kami sa States and so very good time. Ako nga, Raisa, I think magiging ibang tao ko if I didn't go to the States.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ano ba?
No, mga Dabbercads, this is a story. So, when I was mga 4, 5 years old, selos? Yeah, when I was mga 4 and 5 years old, I had a classmate na super crush ko. And feeling ko, crush naman, she had a crush on me also.
Ganun. Sige, salamat.
Teka muna.
Bimbi Talks ka na lang.
Relax. Chill.
Bimbi Talks na.
So, we were mga 4 or 5 years old and then she was gonna go back na to the States.
Alam mo, nasasaktan na ako talaga. Tingin mo na, Bimbi.
Parang wala kang
Miss Venezuela, wala. Miss Pampanga tayo. Bakit man, pero sige.
So, the end, it's okay. No need to cry.
Miss Venezuela is out. Pampanga is in.
Pampanga was always.
Anong
So,
gusto mo?
Raisa, are you happy that we
Super
reunited?
happy. Super happy, Bim. Ang laki mo ng tao.
Ikaw din.
Ang sobrang ano ka na.
You
Sobrang
also.
mature ka na.
Naging dalaga ka
Pero same
talaga.
ka pa rin na sweet, clingy,
Oo.
bait.
Nagbago si Raisa pero nagbago sa magandang
In a good way
in a
naman.
good way.
Okay. Thank you. Hindi ka pa rin nagbabago kahit na ang tagal nating hindi nakapag-usap. Ikaw pa rin
kasi
yung bimbi ko.
technically-
Ikaw pa rin ang bimbi ko. Ang
Bimbi ko! So yan, so we reconnected at 2025 and then, it was her birthday around the year after, 2026, and then now I'm here, which is a very, very good,
Welcome.
very, very good ending to that reunion.
Masaya ka naman dito sa Itbulaga, bimbi.
Very, very saya. It took some getting used to, I have to be honest, but you guys made it a heck of a lot easier. Sa mga Dabbercads, sa mga maybe, thank you so much for supporting us and truly loving us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. We love you all po. Maraming salamat sa support and for sure, marami pa tayong pagsasamahan.
Yes
Diba,
po.
We love you.
Thank you so much for loving us,
We love
truly.
you, Dabbercads.
Huh?
We love you, Dabbercads.
Love you?
Love you, Dabbercads.
What?
Love you, Dabbercads.
What?
We love you,
I
Dabbercads.
love you too.
Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Afternoon, teach.
afternoon.
Ganda niyo po, ma'am.
Ha? Magandang maganda. Ganun talaga pag nai-inlove ang tao, lahat pa rin niya maganda. In love ka ba? Hindi kayo. Oh, pride? Ano ito na unang itinatanim 8,000 to 10,000 years ago ng mga katutubo? Hindi mo alam?
Di,
Hindi ko masabi.
ako din.
Ay,
Alam,
ano mo
ma'am.
kay ma'am? Ano?
Ano po?
Ay, alam ko na. Alam ko na, alam ko na.
Sinabi na niya.
Patatas? Sinabi ko na eh.
Ay,
Nilito niyo ako eh.
patatas po, ma'am.
Patatas is correct. May knock ba kayo?
Yes po.
Yes. May net? Knock,
Knock,
knock, knock,
knock.
knock, knock, knock. Go ahead.
Kala ko tinanong mo, may anak na kayo.
Bata po kami, principal.
Ma'am.
Bata pa bata.
Knock, knock.
Who's the?
Potatoes. Thank you.
So far lowest.
Sorry po.
185.75.
Sorry po, ma'am.
No problem.
Thank you.